Hello,
Hello. Thank you for calling customer support. How can I assist you today?
it's Sam here. I'm facing an issue with my printer.
Hi Sam. I see you purchased two printers from us. Let me check their details for you. You have a LaserJet and a ProPrint. Could you let me know which one you're experiencing issues with?
It is the LaserJet.
Got it? I can see that your LaserJet is still under warranty. Have you tried the troubleshooting steps from the manual? If not, I can guide you through them. If the issue persists, I can help initiate a return.
Yes, I've tried those steps. It is still not working.
Understood. Since it's still under warranty and you've tried troubleshooting, we can proceed with a replacement. By the way, is the maintenance required light flashing on the printer?
Yes, it is still on.
Great, since the maintenance required light is on and the printer is still under warranty, you're eligible for a replacement. Would you like to go ahead and initiate the replacement?
Yes, I would like that.
Excellent. Would you like the replacement to be delivered to the same address as the original purchase?
Yes, I would like it to be delivered to the same address.
Perfect. The replacement has been initiated. You should receive an email confirmation shortly, and a technician will reach out for further details. Thank you for your patience, Sam. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that'll be all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and feel free to reach out if you need any more assistance. Goodbye.